In today's digital age, the internet provides endless opportunities for individuals to build multiple streams of income online. Whether you're looking to supplement your current earnings, diversify your revenue sources, or achieve financial freedom, the online world offers a wealth of possibilities. By harnessing the power of technology, creativity, and determination, you can create a portfolio of income streams that not only generates revenue but also provides flexibility and autonomy in how you earn a living. In this guide, we'll explore various strategies and techniques for building multiple streams of income online, empowering you to take control of your financial future and unlock new avenues of success. Whether you're a freelancer, entrepreneur, or investor, there's something here for everyone ready to embark on the journey to financial abundance in the digital realm. Let's get started. Number 1. Start a blog or website. Create a blog or website around a topic you're passionate about or knowledgeable in. You can monetize it through advertising, sponsored content, affiliate marketing, or by selling digital or physical products. Number 2. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services through affiliate marketing. You earn a commission for each sale or referral generated through your unique affiliate link. Identify products or services that align with your audience's interests and promote them through your website, social media, email marketing, etc. Number 3. Create and sell digital products. Develop and sell digital products such as ebooks, online courses, templates, software, stock photos, or printables. Platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, or Etsy make it easy to sell digital products online. Number 4. Freelancing or consulting. Offer your skills and expertise as a freelancer or consultant. Whether it's writing, graphic design, web development, marketing, or any other skill, there's likely a market for it online. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr connect freelancers with clients. Number 5. Online courses and coaching. Create and sell online courses or coaching programs on platforms like Udemy, Coursera, or your own website. Share your knowledge and skills with others willing to pay to learn from you. Number 6. YouTube channel. Start a YouTube channel and create content around a niche topic. Once you meet the requirements, you can monetize your channel through ads, sponsored content, memberships, or merchandise sales. Number 7. Podcasting. Start a podcast on a topic of interest to you. Monetize it through sponsorships, affiliate marketing, donations, or by selling premium content or merchandise. Number 8. Dropshipping or e-commerce. Set up an online store and sell physical products through dropshipping or e-commerce. You can sell your products on platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, eBay, or Amazon. Number 9. Investing. Invest in stocks, bonds, real estate, or cryptocurrencies. While this requires capital upfront and comes with risks, it can generate passive income over time through dividends, interest, or capital appreciation. Number 10. Membership sites or subscription services. Create a membership site or subscription service where members pay a recurring fee for access to exclusive content, resources, or community. Number 11. Print on demand. Design and sell custom merchandise like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases through print-on-demand platforms such as Printful, Teespring, or Redbubble. Number 12. Social media influencer. Build a following on social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or Twitter and collaborate with brands for sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, or product endorsements. Finally, building multiple streams of income online offers financial diversity and the potential for greater financial stability. Whether you're passionate about creating content, providing services, or investing, there are numerous opportunities to generate income on the internet. By exploring various strategies like affiliate marketing, freelancing, e-commerce, or investing, you can create a diverse portfolio of income streams that support your financial goals. If you found this information helpful and want to learn more about building wealth and creating multiple streams of income, consider subscribing to our channel. We regularly share valuable insights, tips, and strategies to help you achieve financial success and live the life you desire. Don't miss out on future content that could transform your financial future. Hit the subscribe button now and join our community of motivated individuals on the journey to financial independence. Thanks for watching.